Hello friends! Today our friends Bing and Rolling come up with something interesting. Let's put together a puzzle and see what it is. Let's go. Okay. We need 4 corners. Yes? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Corners number 1. Where is plates? Where is your plates? Corners. Maybe this? No? Okay. We have and variant 2. Variant 2. This. Oh, no, it's not right. Okay. And variant number 3, maybe this. Why? What is it? No, I was wrong. And variant number 4, okay, this. Yes, it's right. Oh, cool. We have corners number 1. Oh! Corners number 2. I see corners, but I don't know where is he placed. Yes? I think so. This pitch maybe this? No? It's not right. Okay. Or this? Oh, yes! Wow! It is cool. It's right. Woo! Okay. Corners number 3. I think so. This pitch. This. No? Okay. Or this. Ta-da! Yes, it's right. And corners number 4. Oh, sorry. Friends, it's not corners. This is corners and this is him place. Plate. Yes, it's right. Now we have 4 corners. Yay! We did it. And we need 4 lines. This, and this. And so we need all peach puzzles with one side line. Yes, this. This is line and this and this. This and this and this. Okay. Where is peach puzzles with line this? Maybe this? No, this is not line this. It's not only this. Maybe this peach puzzles? No, it is not right. Okay. Look, guys. I see line with this. Oh yeah, I think so this. Yes, it's right. Cool. Okay. We need peach puzzles with line this. Maybe this peach puzzles? Oh no, it's not right. Or this? Not? Okay. Oh yes, maybe this peach puzzles. Not? It's not right? Huh? Oh. Ow. Okay. Oh, look, friends. I think so. These peach puzzles. This. Yes. It's right. It's cool. Cool. Thanks, friends. Okay. Now we need peach puzzles with line this. And but you know, this it's peach. Yes, peach and color yellow. And I think so. We need peach puzzles with yellow color. Yes, peach. Okay. This peach puzzles with line. Yes. And this is yellow color. Yes. And We have two variants. These are these. Where is plates for these peach puzzles? And I think so. These peach puzzles, this. It's not right. And variant number 2. Yes, look at it, right. Cool, I like it. And peach puzzles, this. Yes, woohoo! Wow, it's cool, amazing. Now we need line with peach puzzle with line this. Yes, have two variants, and variants are this. Look. I think so. These peach puzzles. This. Yes, it's right. Cool. And peach puzzles. This. Yes. Woohoo! We did it. Look, guys, friends. We have all peach puzzles with line, and all peach puzzles. It's right. In the plates. And now we need only two peach puzzles in the center. And I think so. These peach puzzles. This. Yes! Oh, it's right. Oh, cool. And the end. This thing just got personal. Rolly, what are you doing? Thank you, friends. Thank you. I think so. It is interesting moments. And please subscribe and like this video. And see you soon. Bye. Bye bye.